It is a setback for Go First. The Supreme Court has refused to intervene in an order that's been passed by the Delhi High Court granting lessors of Go First access to their aircraft. The Apex Court has refused to intervene, saying that the lessors have the right over their planes. Ashmit is standing by now with more details. Ashmit, what does this now mean as far as Go First plans are concerned? We still don't have any clarity on the relaunch, but this could perhaps put a further spanner in the works.
Well, indeed, Go First was hoping for some relief, hoping that there would be no intervention by the lessors, but that has not come to the Supreme Court bench headed by the Chief Justice himself, not making much of that and rejecting the application. Now, just for context, let's keep in mind that lessors had moved the Delhi High Court, whereby they had sought for deregistration of the aircraft. As an interim measure, what the Delhi High Court had said that these are expensive assets that need to be maintained, and to that end had granted lessors the interim relief of going ahead and inspecting the aircraft in question. That is something that Go First had an objection to, first challenged it before the division bench of the Delhi High Court and then before the Apex Court. The ground that they raise essentially is one of jurisdiction. Go First is essentially arguing that, look, this is an insolvency matter. This is an IBC matter, that NCLT should have exclusive preserve over these proceedings, that the Delhi High Court has no jurisdiction as far as hearing the lessors is concerned, and to that end had sought relief. The Supreme Court, however, the bench headed by the Chief Justice, observed that this is not a fit case for intervention, that there is no case that has been made out by the counsels for Go First for the Supreme Court to intervene and to turn that relief around in any shape or form, and to that end has dismissed Go First's application that was seeking a stay of that Delhi High Court order. So the proceedings now move back to the Delhi High Court. Keep in mind there are multiple proceedings here. One, of course, before the NCLT, where insolvency proceedings are currently underway. The other, of course, is before the Delhi High Court, where the lessors are seeking deregistration of aircraft. A fine line between them, but proceedings nonetheless against Go First.
All right, Ashmit, many thanks for joining us. That is the latest there as far as Go First is concerned. Now, disappointing market debut for